What's up guys? Dumating na yung ating Halo Flashpoint Tactical Miniature, the Recon Edition. Unboxing tayo. Ano naman ang ating Flashpoint here at Iloilo City nga una ko. So let's go unboxing using the legendary knife. Slice it to the right, slices to the left, slices in the up, slice into the down. Let's see. Okay. Halo Flash Halo Flash Point. Wow! Bango! Kings of War Ambush. Ito yung galing sa Mantic Games. Sila rin yung gumawa ng Dead Zone tsaka Kings of War siguro. Hindi pa ako napaglaro nun, pero Halo Flashpoint, ito yung first na skirmish game ko, na board game, at second ko na unbox na mula bago. Kasi yung first game ko talaga na inbox nung una is yung Catan. So ito yung guide. Wow, Majesty. Rules ng Halo Flashpoint. Uy, cotton candy. Ito yung para hindi mo moist ata. Yun. And the map. Awesome map. What the heck? Good motherfucking map out here. Okay. Ito yung guys yung map. Ito yung hindi siya board, hindi siya cardboard na malapad, manipis siya pero not too thin, tsaka parang gusto ko rin smooth as shit. Ito yung kanyang mga terrain ng plastic, tsaka tingnan nyo yung size niya, malapad. What the heck. Alright. Woo! Hindi ko inasan, malaki pala yun ah. Malaki pala to. The card, Spartan MK7, my favorite. Spartan MK7 na. The Dois. For shooting. The weapon, BR-75 Battle Rifle. BR-75 Battle Rifle.
75 rifle.
Rifle. Tsaka yung dice nila, magandang game to. Huwag mong hawakan, masasira yung ano ko eh. Holy fuck. Tadadadadadag. Napakalakas. What the heck. The blue team. Si Dead Eye. Ito si Dead Eye oh. Siyempre red team. So ito yung laman ng ating box. Witness nyo na lang yung game namin sa susunod sa Greedy Boys sa Facebook, Greedy Boys Gaming. Let's go. And ito yung unboxing nila. Ito yung guys yung box. Siguro mga 2.5 na kamay ko. And yun, let's go. Lagyan natin ng sleeve. Ito yung unboxing natin sa Halo Flashpoint, the Recon Edition. Thank you guys.